If the girls is a very rich and boys is not very rich,
Yes.
then boys also become a ghar jamai. You know that? But so there is also money. What is happening here? Now if you are want to the girl,
one
you
minute,
want to
sir.
come in this
Sir,
planet
sir, if-
with the money.
sir,
If the girl will settle, then girl have a power to take the decision for own self. Now if you
I say-
just example. Now if you
But
want to
sir-
one thing remember in your life, money is everything. If the someone want to come in this planet, money is firstly. If you death, then your body is also the burn with the money. If you have no money, then no one come to touch your body. No one come to carry your body for the bank of the river. This is the reality. That the boys try to the research the beautiful girl, right? But this is the not 100% right. In your family, in your society, you also notice. This is the reality. If the just like a prince will become a government of employee, okay?
yes.
Then maybe that prince family have a someone just like your father
Yes.
give the enough 10 lakh rupees and then you are not a very beautiful, then that family also try to do the marriage with that girl. This is the reality. It means what? Girl was never
also
and listen, family firstly invest the money to me. That's the main reason my father want to the income. Okay.
okay. You invest the money for your improvement. Yes.
Okay, so if your father invests to you for your education, for your personality, your skill, then if you are now anything, something, then it is not a reality that your family demand to money and my family demand to money. Okay.
Okay.
But if you girls really educated, they have only the degree, they have not a skill.
I want to say one thing, but
If you are listen, if you are settled anywhere, and if the boy is settled anywhere,
Yes.
then there is a not be argue for the this. Okay.
But 1 minute, sir, all person not like that same. All person not.
Our society under 90% people's
but
same
10% is
mentality
left.
there.
But
Okay.
10% is left now.
So 10%. Okay, you are under the 10%.
No.
You are under 10%. Okay, one beggars percent.
One
Okay,
beggars present,
just
yes.
like a very poor family, and then your father really give your hand to that person.
Yes. Of course.
No,
Sir,
this is
my father,
impossible.
my
This is
father,
impossible.
if I educated, then I understand. I research for this person. This
Listen,
person is
what
good
is
and bad.
what is the meaning of the education? Education, it means you are settled. Then this is the education.
No, this is not.
Just an
How it
example.
is?
Listen, just an example. Whole day you are present in the kitchen.
Yes.
You didn't cook anything. Then this is the very good. You are the what I say? You are the well housekeeper. No, a chef. No, because if you cook something, then you are the well. If you not cook something, then you are not a well chef.
But if I educated person, then I serve.
Just example. My father invests money for me. Your father also invests money for your education. Okay, I am settled, right? And you are not settled. That's the main reason. You just your father come to my home and say,
But now, sir.
I have a one daughter. I want to do the marriage. So then my father said that you pay the dowry just like a 10 lakh, 20 lakh because I am a settled in a government job. And even if you are also settled, then you are also settled. I am also settled. Then here we are not argue about the
Yeah,
dowry.
yeah.
We are only the want to do the marriage. This is the reality.
But okay, but 90% of people do this type of. No, you're
Yeah, yeah,
right,
yeah.
you're.
Because you have only the degree.
But if
you
now,
have the skill, then you are
but
also
now,
settled.
sir, 1 minute now, girls are choose all partner to all self, okay, and research because girls are educated, then girls never try to do marriage with the settled person because they know understand what is the meaning of education.
This is the reality. This is the reality. You say if you want to settle, then you don't try to search the settled person, right?
Yes, no, because I am such a good person.
Good person, not a
Because
settled
not-
person. You only want to focus on the nature, right?
Nature and also
Okay.
all.
Okay, just example. If one boy, just like Shivam is a good natured person, okay, but he is not settled. Now you want to do the marriage?
Yes.
Your family ready for the do the
Yes,
marriage?
my family.
No. Don't try to be over smart. No.
1 minute, sir, 1 minute. My family not understand, then I try to understand them because I am educated.
You know that your
Okay,
family
1 minute,
also
sir,
say,
1 minute, 1 minute.
how can you survive your life without the money?
Okay, 1
Nature
minute.
is good, but what
Hello.
will we do with the nature?
Sir, what will you do with money? If
Everything,
one minute.
everything. in the
Yes.
second position. First position, we know the person, the money. It means the
No,
first.
no.
Listen. First,
Maybe.
just an example. First time, if I look the Karan, then first day, Karan style, Karan dress, Karan suits, right? Karan hairstyle, everything, personality. We focus. Then we attract with that person. Second time, if we talk, we explain the time. Then we know that
Here is the money
nature.
problem. Here is the money. Here is the money.
So you know the
Not
first the
us.
money, right? Because that person look like that person nature is very good. That person say, my dear sister, I am very hungry. Please provide it. That person nature is very good. But their dress, they look the very dirty. Then you accept that person to say, hey, go from here, go from here.
Listen to me. That time I say, brother,
Money
I have
is
no idea.
everything. Nature is nothing. I understand that.
1 minute. Then I say, brother, I have no idea how to cook. You just, I have some material of cooking material, food material. Then you just make and then cook. Then I and you both are.
Okay. So some baker will come to your home and then you say, brother, please come to kitchen. Cook. I have no idea. Right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, great. Awesome person. Great person. This is impossible things.
This is possible, but sir.
One thing remember in your life, money is everything. If the someone want to come in this planet, money is firstly. If you death, then your body is also the born with the money. If you have no money, then no one come to touch your body. No one come to carry your body for the bank of the river. This is the reality. Our society, everywhere, money is important. How can you
Sir,
say?
1 minute.
Yeah.
Money is less. This is not a very harmful for your health. Some money
So
is
just,
less.
you
Not
just tell me, your nature is very good. You just tell me 5 points that you, without the money, you do complete that work with the money, with the nature. Just example. You have no money. Your nature is very good. In a society, you have a need something. Then how can you solve that problem with the nature? Because you have no money.
No. I sir, when you understand, I didn't say money. You say that time. You told that time. Money is very important, and money is it's all about money in this time.
Everything is money. I am
No.
also say yes. Money is really very important.
Okay. If money is important, then you not do marriage with your wife. Okay. Why you? Okay. Money is important, but why you are do marriage with the girl? मतलब wife. Why?
You just
What
say-
is the
you just
one
say-
minute, one
Okay,
minute.
okay, okay,
What?
okay.
No.
At your home, any uncle
One
present,
minute,
uncle present.
1 minute. Guys, if sir have a lot of money, sir can fulfill all dreams with the money. But what is the need and what is the importance of why sir do marriage with? Yes.
My according, money provide everything. Wife, life, everything.
Huh?
Money is everything. Money provide life, wife,
Money is
everything.
not everything. How you can say money is everything?
My according, only
Money
one
can,
finalize you want
money
to
can buy everything.
finalize I wanted to say. My according, dowry system is very good.
Very good.
Very good because if my family invests the money for me, then I have an authority to I demand the money to the girl's family.
But-
Listen, but if the girl's family under the girl is also settled, then and I am also settled, then here is a no topic for the discussion about it for the dowry.
1 minute, one.
Both are equal.
Okay, sir.
Where
You
is
give
the
me one
problem?
answer.
Where is the
You
not
give me
equal?
One answer. One answer. Why is take dowry? Why girls not take them? Take the dowry?
Okay. You want to take dowry? It is also possible. If I am not settled, you are settled,
Yes.
then you also demand. And this is the possible.
No,
this
sir,
is
but
the, this is the
yes,
possible.
no.
Listen, this is the possible. If the girls is a very rich and boys is not very rich,
Yes.
then boys also become a kharjamal. You know that? But so there is the also happening.
This is the dowry. Kharjamai.
Kharjama, it means the boy also will go the girl's family under, right? And everything they try to do there. Okay. After marriage, girls will come to the boys,
Yes,
right?
boys.
The same thing happening. Boys also will go to the girl's family under.
Yeah.
What? You also take the boy.
Okay,
was condition. What is the was condition?
Yes.
Was condition is very was do everything. Wife say you try to the massage my body, you try to the swipe here, you wash my clothes, everything that you just try to bring up my child, then bring
Yes,
up
yes.
everything, because the girl have a no time, because they are jobber, she is a jobber,
Yes.
so they have a no time, so everything the boy will do at the home and girl do the only job. This is the reality.
Okay.
So you firstly settled, then maybe boys also give the dowry to you if you demand.
If I demand.
Yeah,
But,
because boys demand, then the family.
but here you say na 90% people, boy side, boy take the money, boy parents take the dowry. But when will this type of rule apply in girl for the girls?
If the girl will
When
settle,
will girls take the money?
then the girl will settle.
When will girls?
Because you know that in our society, if the girl will settle, then girl have a power to take the decision for own self. Now if you just a example, now if you want to take the decision for your life,
Yes.
then your family accept you, family support you? No, because you are not settled. If you earn the money, you have a one position, then you say something to your family, then your family also give the respect to you.
So this
Family
is
also
good now.
follow to you.
This is the rule.
Follow give the freedom to you. So this is good when? When will you not educated? When will you settled?
Okay.
So education is not important. Settle is important.
Settle is important.
Yeah.